all students. Previous week we see the lesson number 2 in general science, the living world. In this lesson we learn the various types of the characteristics of living things. You know that on all over the world, only planet Earth are living things found to scientists. See the above pictures. Various insect and any other animals are available on the Earth. Very diversity. See the alongside. Various diversity in the living things. Their eating system and their sound are different, and their shape and size of the animals are different.
Some animals are carnivorous animal and some animals are herbivorous animal. Their living places are different. This is the diversity in living things. This is the diversity in animals. Forest animal. All over the world, scientists always study about the plants and animals. Now see here, now up to here scientists found 3,80,000 different species plants. आतापर्यंत शास्त्रज्ञांनी जवळजवळ वनस्पतीच्या 3,80,000 विविध प्रजाती शोधून काढलेल्या आहेत. सायंटिस्ट ऑलवेज स्टडी इन द अबाउट द प्लांट्स, ॲनिमल्स, स्काय, sea, ocean, all over the changes. Scientists always study about the plants are available on all over the world. The scientists found this is the Amazon forest in South America. In this forest, these forest called as the lungs of earth. या अमेझॉनच्या जंगलाला पृथ्वीचे फुफ्फुस मानले जाते. All over the world, different type of the animals and different type of the plants and insects are available. There is a lot of diversity all over the world. So now today we are going to start third lesson. Name of the lesson is diversity in living things and their classification. सजीवातील विविधता आणि वर्गीकरण. In which spheres of the earth do living things exist? Living things exist in all the three spheres of the earth, that is hydrosphere, lithosphere, and third one is atmosphere. The geographical conditions at different place on the earth are very different. Some place has forest, mountain, rivers. Some place has plain and some place has height or tall, or some places has a lot of water. This is the different. We find that living things exist in all these diverse conditions. Some peoples live in forest, some peoples live in cities or any other place. Some when peoples travel in water, people adjust on mountain. Some peoples live in desert. Some peoples live in desert. Some peoples adjust itself to bank of rivers. Some peoples live in forest. Some peoples live in slum areas. Some peoples lives in big houses. When we live in a certain place, we adjust condition there. भिन्न परिस्थितीमध्ये सजीवांचे अस्तित्व आपल्याला आढळते. आपण एखाद्या ठिकाणी राहतो म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणच्या परिस्थितीशी आपण जुळवून घेतो. Various types of living things have survived because of their ability to adjust themselves to the condition in their surroundings. Various living things adjust to itself to the present atmosphere. Plants, animals, and all living things adjustment to the present conditions or situation. Are the plants and animals that have seen all alike? तुम्ही पाहिलेले सर्व वनस्पती व प्राणी एकसारखे आहेत का? No. The plants and animals are of great variety. There is diversity in shape, body, structure, color, types, etc. among the different animals and plants. Let us we start diversity in plants. Various types of plants are found in many places around us. Various types of the plants around us. Some plants like grass are short. While others plants are tall and have a canopy. काही वनस्पती गवतासारख्या खुरट्या तर काही वनस्पती उंच डेरेदार असतात. Some plants grow under water. काही वनस्पती आपणास पाण्याखालीही पाहायला मिळतात. काही वनस्पतींची वाढ ही पाण्याच्या मध्ये होते. अंडर द वॉटर. While some other plants float on water. तर काही वनस्पती या पाण्यावर तरंगताना दिसतात. We find that some plants grow even in deserts. Moreover, we find that there is lot of variety in the same type of plant. For example, there are different varieties of rice. See the varieties of rice, different types of rice. There are different varieties of wheat. विविध प्रकारचे गहू. Next example, there are different types of rose, different colors. See the types of rose. Name of its rose, but that rose sees different in color. See the next example, types of mangoes. In summer season, we listen the different type of the mangoes name. See the types of mangoes, different flavors. Some plants grow even without stem, leaves or roots. These are very different from ordinary plants. Let us study this diversity among plants. Now up to here we understand the different types of the diversity in the plants. We find that some plants where the grow, we understand there is a lot of variety in the same type of plants. Let us study these diversity among plants. Now to start the diversity among plants. First diversity is autotrophic plants. What is meant by autotrophic plants? Plants make their own food in sunlight. Such plants are called autotrophic plants. For example, the hibiscus, pomegranate, and third one example is periwinkle. It means that hibiscus, pomegranate and periwinkle, such plants make their food itself. That process are called as the photosynthesis process, and that photosynthesis process we learned in previous lesson. जे वनस्पती सूर्यप्रकाशात स्वतःचे अन्न स्वतः तयार करतात त्यांना स्वयंपोषी वनस्पती म्हणतात. मीन्स ऑटोट्रॉफिक प्लांट्स. ऑटोट्रॉफिक प्लांट्स मेक देअर ओन फूड. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हिबिस्कस, पोमिग्रेनेट अँड पेरिविंकल etc. Next, diversity is heterotrophic plants. What is meant by heterotrophic plants? Plants that cannot prepare their own food but use the food of other plants are called heterotrophic. जे वनस्पती स्वतःचे अन्न स्वतः तयार करत नाहीत ते अन्नासाठी इतरावर अवलंबून असतात त्यांना परपोषी असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल funguses, loranthus, dodder, such plants are depends on other plants for food. Third diversity in plant is insectivorous plant. Plants that consume insects. For example, pitcher plant, Drosera. Such plants are consume insect. काही वनस्पती अन्न म्हणून कीटकांचा वापर करतात. म्हणजे त्यांच्याजवळ कीटक आला तर ते त्याचा अन्न म्हणून वापर करतात. त्यांना कीटकभक्षी असे म्हणतात. नाव हेअर कंप्लीट द डायव्हर्सिटी इन प्लांट्स. अशा प्रकारे आपण वनस्पतींची विविधता पाहिलेली आहे. हा उपघटक आपला संपलेला आहे. लेट अस स्टार्ट नेक्स्ट पॉईंट, द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्लांट. To know that different types of the plants are around us. Various types of the plants are there. Plant structure can generally be divided into two parts. The stem which grows above the ground. जमिनीच्या वर असणारा खोडाचा भाग. Second part of plant structure is the root which grows below the ground surface. जमिनीच्या खाली असणारा मुळाचा भाग. The root, stem and leaves are the main parts of plants. From time to time, plants bear flowers for reproduction. Flowers are transformed into fruits. Fruits have seeds. Seeds gives rise to new plants. See the parts of plants. The first part of plant is root. There are main two types of roots. First is the taproot. Second is fibrous roots. Example, hibiscus and banyan root has taproot. Second type of roots is fibrous root. For example, onion root has fibrous root and grass roots has fibrous root. What is the function of root? Roots hold the soil firmly and anchor the plant. The main function of the root are to absorb and transport water and nutrients from the soil. The roots of the carrot and the roots of the radish also store food. Thus, here complete the first part of plant is root. Next part of the plant is stem. The height, shape and size of a plant depends upon the stem. The stem carries out the function of production, conduction and storage of food. In some plants, it has the function of reproduction. It gives support to other parts of plants. खोड हा वनस्पतीचा घटक आहे. वनस्पतीची उंची व आकार खोडावर अवलंबून असतो. खोड हे अन्ननिर्मिती, अन्नवहन, अन्नसाठा व काही वनस्पतीमध्ये पुनरुत्पादनाचे कार्य करते. याशिवाय ते इतर वनस्पतीच्या भागांना आधार देते. Thus, here complete the parts of plant stem. Today's we learn in the lesson diversity in living things and their classification. Diversity in plants, the structure of plant, root and stem. Remaining part of the lesson to learn next week. So take care, stay home and stay safe.